Now let's take a look at this figure 14-18 that deals with measuring operating amps. Now if this motor was fully loaded, it's capable of pulling its nameplate, without a problem. And say 20 amps on each phase, and you had a nameplate rating of 20 amps and you measured it, 20 amps, you'd be fine. But if it was pulling more than that, then something was wrong. Sometimes it's your controller, your contacts aren't made good on one of the legs, but there's a reason if it's not pulling right, see. So, but keep in mind now that as long as L1, L2, and L3 match up, a motor can run at 75% of its capacity. You just want to make sure when you measure L1, L2, and L3 that you're getting the same amps there. And then, of course, you can measure voltage. And when you go into more study in the book, it will tell you problems of troubleshooting and have charts for that. So if you're getting these bad readings, it'll give you steps where usually this problem would occur. Now, if you're out there and if you have a readout board that tells you where to go to search out the problem, that's great. That saves you a lot of time. But that's not always available to you out in the field, depending on the age of the motor, when it was put in, and how it was designed to operate and so forth. So this figure 14-18 is just showing how you measure the amps based upon the nameplate and what you would read with an amp probe, or your way of measuring it. And that's what figure 14-18 is illustrating.